Okay everyone, this is just a quick video to talk about the egg carton, because a lot of the assignments there was a little bit of confusion. Okay, I'm holding the egg carton with my left arm. I'm grabbing the egg carton, or I'm holding the egg carton from the top, not from the side. I'm grabbing it from the top. Okay, I'm going to do my Statue of Liberty, put it on my shoulder. Okay, make sure the bumps are, my chin is on the bumps. Okay, there it goes. It's on my shoulder. It's not here, right here on my shoulder. Then I'm going to take my markers. Now I have my practice stick right here, and I'm going to put it right here in this second, from the top, putting it in the second slot. Okay, notice my bow hand is facing down. Okay, I saw a lot of variations like this. Make sure it's facing down. Okay, then I do my blue jellos. Play the piano part here.
Ready, go.
Make sure when you start, make sure your elbow is nice and straight. It's not drooping down like this. Also, when you start your blue jellos, you want to open your elbow. Okay, you want to open the elbow when you start the blue jello. I'm sorry, not the huckleberry jello. It's huckleberry jello, not blue jello. Okay, open and close the elbow. If you don't open and close the elbow, then we get that. Okay, a couple of you didn't have the egg carton, so if you do, if you have the paper roll tube, okay, and you need the long stick. That's the thing. If you don't have the long stick with the markers or pencils, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work if you only have one marker or one pencil. You have to have a connection, all right, of all of them together. If you have the paper roll tube, same thing. You're gonna put the paper roll tube in front of you. You're going to put the stick in the tube, and the tube is what's going to keep the stick straight. Again, make sure when you do the huckleberry jello that you open your elbow. And you can hear the huckleberry jello on the paper roll tube. Okay, again, I'm keeping my plato de enchiladas. My bow hand is facing down. Okay, now probably on your video, we're not a mirror image. Okay, we're opposite. So make sure that you're holding the paper tube with your right hand. Your left hand, and you're holding the stick with your right hand. Okay, so just keep that in mind, because we probably don't look identical. The other thing that some students were doing, I'm gonna get my iPad here, was a binder. Okay, or they were doing the cereal box, which will work as great. I'm trying to see if I have a binder here in hand, but I don't. So I'm going to use I'm going to pretend my iPad's a binder. Same thing. So you're going to do Statue of Liberty on the shoulder. Okay. This one's a little bit different because you don't have the bumps from the egg carton or the thickness of the cereal box. And then you put your bow in the middle, and same concept. Huckleberry jello, huckleberry jello, huckleberry jello. Okay, and if all else fails, if you don't have any of these materials, then go ahead and do the exercise. Huckleberry jello, huckleberry jello, huckleberry. I'd rather see this than some of the other variations that I saw today. Hopefully this answered some questions.